What's going on, guys? It's Raf here. In this video we're going to be going over the tanker and its new features. So the tanker is essentially a portable hydrant. It can carry a large amount of water to and from fires. The newest feature to the tanker is that you can now drop a drafting pool. So you would walk to the back of the tanker and hit deploy or return the drafting pool. Once your pool is out, the tanker will begin emptying all of its water that's inside of the tank. So if we go here, we can see that our water supply is lowering and emptying into this pool. It's basically transferring the water you have in the tank to the pool. Now the cool thing is that other units can connect to this pool as a water source in the case that you don't have any nearby hydrants or water sources. Now the tanker is empty and all that water is in the pool. Other units can begin to draft from this pool by connecting their supply lines to the pool. Another cool thing is the helicopters can also come to this pool and drop their tubes or Bambi buckets in, if you're a skilled enough pilot to do so, and grab water from here. Now this water will only last as long as it would coming directly from the tanker, but in that time the tanker can go to a lake or a hydrant nearby, refill, and come back to the pool and refill. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back in a second and I'll show you guys how that looks. Alright, so we're back. In this case I've got engine 2 here, no hydrant nearby. We're gonna grab the supply line with Y off engine 2, and we can go to any side of this pool and press E and it will connect. So now you can see that the pool will begin. Well, we've got a full water source on the engine, but let's say I stretch a little line here and start pumping. So with our new hose drag we can get our nozzle back by dragging it, and we'll spray a bit. So now you can see the tanker pool is starting to refill the engine as we're using water. So slowly but surely that tanker pool is going to empty. And with that being said, we can hop in the tanker. We'll go grab some water and we'll be right back. So now when we come back with our tanker, as we back the tanker up towards one of the sides of this pool, it'll begin emptying the water it has inside into the pool. So as long as the back of your tanker is facing the pool and it's nearby, you'll see that water stream start to come out until the pool is full and your tanker is empty. And you can do this and repeat it until the fire's out. So that's basically the use of the tanker. The tanker can also supply with relay lines if it needs to, so it can relay to other companies. But this is really the tanker's main mechanic and its most useful purpose. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and check out the other tutorial videos to learn more about this update. The more you know.